Good morning, May 24, 2020, Sunday. It's a beautiful day. Hope no rain today. A bit cloudy, some wind coming from the south. So it's gonna be a good one. Anyway, this is only our routine hike. Just to burn some calories. It is not about the location, it's just about health. Trying to maintain a good habit. Of hiking up in the mountain. Today we're just going to our usual destination of Cecil Ride stream, passing by that stream and then heading to View Compass, take some photo along the way. Who knows, maybe lucky to meet some wild animals like wild boar, just like last week. Anyway, yesterday was Saturday, but we had to do something about. That's why we didn't do it on our usual day. Well, today I just bought a new outfit from Uniqlo. It's not a big, not a expensive outfit like Under Armour, Nike, Adidas, or whatever. It's quite cheap. Pants and the shirt only cost me around 300 Hong Kong dollars, but they are still good. It's made of polyester. Oh, again, I need to say that it is not a sponsor, so I'm just trying to help out. That you don't need an expensive outfit to do your routine exercise, as long as it's good in your body, comfortable, and that's it. Anyway, we are going uphill again to this very high stair, the starting point of our hike. And wow, already gasping for air. It's getting older. Outdoor oldies is here again. Anyway, just look at my outfit. Nice one. Oh, yeah. A glimpse of what's ahead of us. Anyway, so let's do it. Join us in our hike. Take a rest from here. Oh, it's not easy to hike when you are wearing a mask. Not easy to breathe. Your breathing is constrained. Anyway, we are now going along 40 by 3 walk. And this is a resting space. Okay, we continue from here, go uphill and some downstream where we pass by Sir Cecil Ride stream. Okay. Oh, shout out again to You Can Do It, Kenneth Abaricia and Mary Joy Abaricia. They are OFW in Macau. I'm going to jot down their link below on my channel. Please subscribe to their channel as well as mine. Like the video, and we appreciate it. So, oh, there's a squirrel. Wait, oh, there's a squirrel. There. There's a squirrel. Squirrel. Where is it? There. Oh, maybe you cannot see it from here, but there's a squirrel. Hang on. Let me zoom it. Okay. While walking, I still need to replenish myself. And this is what I usually drink along the way. Gatorade. Blueberry flavor. It's good. It helps me a lot to replenish my lost water and an isotonic drink. Again, this is not a sponsor. I hope they will. Anyway, let's drink something for now. Part of our routine to avoid cramps and loosen up our muscles before going ahead with our hike to the mountain. Usually you count 1 to 10 and then change to the other side of your feet. Stretch up, reach high here, and then this one, calf. It's part of our daily routine. So what is drinking? The Kirin Love Sports and chocolate muffin with high sugar content. But when you hike, you need it. Anyway, let's move on. People are enjoying the weekend. Family playing badminton, Filipina, OFWs having a picnic. Nice. And some doggy. Nice dog. Okay, so we're gonna go here in the pavilion and eat something. It's because it's almost lunchtime, 12 noon. Chocolate muffin with high sugar content. Amazingly, this one is a wild strawberry tree, but with a different species. This tree, the big tree here, You know. And then you can see all these description. It's sweet and edible. Now we will proceed. One of the interesting things about nature walk or hiking up in the mountain is that you will encounter wild animals, and at the same time you will find some wild berries, fruit bearing trees that is edible and can be eaten as a refreshment for your hike. So anyway, it's a nice day, beautiful day. So we'll just continue hiking on crossing the stream. Yeah, like I've said, you will find wild fruits along the way that is edible and can help you replenish. Oh, today more water, probably due to rain last night. Again, this is the one of the very difficult start of our hike because from here it's all uphill. You can see, although it's not very steep, but it's quite hard for all these like us. Anyway, we just do it slowly and don't rush. Don't rush your way up. That is the secret to achieving your goal. Always remember, health is wealth. See, the old woman is already tired, and the old man, who's the cameraman, is also gasping for air. Still have to go up. Okay, stop for now. Stay with us. Keep on watching. This one is another tree. This game box. First time I've seen so many people up hiking, probably due to nice weather. It's a perfect weather, cloudy, no rain, a bit of wind, breeze, cold breeze, cooler breeze coming from everywhere. So just taking a short rest after climbing up to the wartime stove. Resting for a while. Yeah. Rest for a while. From here, we will go into that direction. There's two-way. One is here going to Mount Parker Road, lower Mount Parker Road, and the other one is there going to the Government Fisheries and Agricultural Department up there. So you have two choices to go up to Mount Butler, Shumashan Peak, View Compass, High Time Reservoir, and many more. Okay, stay with us, Pañeros. All these outdoor oldies is here. Hey, hooray, hooray! The barbecue area are now open after locking it down for several weeks. Finally, they reopened the barbecue site. Unfortunately, there's no people here. Just a few people resting. And up there is the public toilet. So let's go and take a rest along this Mount Parker Road. This road will lead you to Titan Upper Reservoir and then to the lower reservoir, all the way up to the main road that will take you to Stanley Beach. Yeah, almost there. Okay, stay with us. Please watch, subscribe, like the video, ring the bell to be notified for our new hiking video or something else. Thank you. Part of our energy booster, Banana Del Monte from the Philippines. Product of the Philippines. Banana. Yeah. Okay, we are now going to start Sir Cecil's Ride Trail, which will lead us to different destination like Sil's Ride Stream and View Compass. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, cloudy day. Nice. But at this location, there is no wind. Nobody here except us. Probably along the way we will be meeting some hikers. Whew. Anyway, it's a nice weather. Very relaxing, although tiring. I can feel the cool breeze. Thank God. So nice. So nice. For the cool breeze. Look at that. So nice for the cool breeze. Nice weather. I forgot to bring my stick. Training for cliff climbing. See that? From here you can see. Alright, there you go. Okay, so we will be going through this trail all the way there, then go up to that part of the hill, go that side, and then to the other side of that hill. Alright, stay with us. And you hello, Peñeros. Still here. Now trailing from Sister Stream, going to View Compass, just ahead of us. I'm only using my iPhone 11 Pro Max for this video, so it's a little bit shaky using the front camera, but if I use the rear camera, it has a more stabilized mechanism, so less shaky. So bear with us. I didn't bring my GoPro. Alright, keep trailing with us until we reach the top of View Compass. Now it's getting darker. It's only almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We've been hiking for about 2.5 hours. Not long ago, we started our hike today. Alright, we have covered 5.4 km and we're still halfway through. Okay, it's a very fun hike. Not so tiring due to the nice weather. It's not hot, cloudy, and a little bit cooler environment. You see, it's like a very remote area. Nobody here except the two of us. The outdoor oldies. Okay, stay with us, trail with us, hike with us. Oh, oldies outdoor, or outdoor oldies, what I mean. Alright, Peñeros, ciao. Okay, we are now just start to go up to the View Compass. Up, 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 up. From that marker down there, it's now going up to the View Compass, where you can have a panoramic view of eastern or western Kowloon and eastern Hong Kong Island, eastern part. I see. Pañeros update after reaching View Compass up there. We are now heading back to Sir Cecil's Ride. It's still a long way. We have now, oh my goodness, stop. Covered 6.3 kilometers. Nice, watch more. Stop. Oh, okay. Trail with us. Stay with us until we finish our hike today. Pañeros, thank you.
Doon yung may papunta sa bakla.
Yeah, you see that? Those people up there, they are going to the Shumashan peak. Look, let me zoom. I'll try to zoom it for you. You can see those people. Can you see those? Yeah, I'll point it out. There. Near the tower, some people. Those are people climbing. Ayo. Somebody sneezed behind me. See, those are people climbing up. Pañeros update. We are now trailing back to Mount Parker Road via Sir Cecil's Ride. This is where we took the trail leading to View Compass. Oh, so it's been we've been hiking for just over 3.5 hours since we started at noon. We have now covered 8.17 kilometers. There's still a long way to go back to the city. Anyway, yeah, do stay with us until we finish this hike today. It's been fun, exciting, though we didn't encounter any wild animal except for the small squirrel. Anyway, some nice birds, wildflower, and wild berries along the way, along the trail. Anyway, yeah, so do stay with us until we finish this trail, until we reach downtown. Yeah, thank you. Please subscribe, like and share our videos on my YouTube channel of Outdoor Oldies Astries. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. See you later. Back to where we started. Sir Cecil's Ride. Starting point. Now on the way back home. After 9 kilometers now. At almost 4 hours of hiking. Yeah. So tired, but it's a very enjoyable hike. Today we are not very tired at all. Probably due to the best weather that we had today. Nice weather. So we're going back home. And until next time, viajeros, please join us on our hike as a way to keep ourselves fit and well. Thank you. God bless. Thank you for a safe hike. And probably we'll take a short break here. All right, take a short break. Drink some water. So tired. All right. Wow, guys, it's been a good day. Fun hike. Safe and well. Although hungry and thirsty. But it's good. Especially for oldies like us. Drink. Eh? Where's my other drink? Okay, guys. Until our next hike. Join us again once more. Thank you for being with us. And hope to see you again next time. Hope to see you again with Gatorade. Not a sponsor. Anyway. Yep. See, my attire today, my gear is quite good. From Uniqlo. Shirt with a perforated back, and then my pants, walking pants, which is also good, made of polyester. And this one also polyester. It's also cool in the body, so you don't need to buy a very expensive gear. Even a cheap one will do. And you're only going to sweat on it. Why buy a very expensive gear? So, alright guys, until next time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Outdoor Oldies Asterisks for some mosquito. Subscribe, like and share. Peace, brothers and sisters. Thank God we're safe. Until next time. So tired. Huh?